All right, welcome back to phonics. Our objective today is I can read words with digraph SH. So here is our phonics card for the digraph SH. Remember, digraphs are two letters that make one sound. So this digraph is SH. And when we see this card, we say SH shall sh. Listen to me one more time and then we'll do it together. SH shall sh. Good. And now do it on your own. Nice. Now on the next slide, we're going to listen to a Jack Hartman song that has digraphs SH in it. I want you to listen for all of the digraphs that have SH in the video.